Welcome to the video tutorial on the issue of income certificate online. In this tutorial, the user will learn how to apply for the income certificate online. To log in, we enter the desired user credentials. However, if the user is registering themselves for the first time, the user needs to create an account and do the needful. To avail this online service, the user needs to log in as an SSO user and select the appropriate service from the list of services. After logging in, we enter the user dashboard of the income certificate. This is the side menu that consists of new application where the user can apply for new application and my application where the user can find the applications filled up or submitted by the user. The applied section consists of the application that have been submitted to the department for approval and the approved section consists of the application that have been approved by the department. The rejected section consists of the application that are rejected by the department. These are some of the instructions and guidelines that a user must go through before filling up the online form. In the affidavit section, the user can download the affidavit form from the dashboard. The same affidavit needs to be filled up and uploaded. The user will receive all the notifications regarding the application in the application updates. To apply for a fresh application, the user needs to go to the new application on the side menu and after which the user will be directed to an online form. As you can see, the form filling up is a three-step procedure that includes Step 1. Filling up the applicant details. Step 2. Uploading the required documents and Step 3. Confirming the entered details and making the payment. It is suggested that the applicant must read the instructions and guidelines before filling up the form. Now let us start with the step 1 of the form filling procedure. In the application processing location, the user needs to select the desired district where they want to process the application and also select the desired field from the to be issued field and also select the desired office code. In the next segment, that is applicant details, the data entered concerns the detail about the applicant. So select the desired salutation, specify your name, middle name and last name and fill up the other details. Now in the family income details, the applicant needs to specify the income details of his or her family members. Here we see different cases. Case 1. Income from salary. If the applicant or their family member has everyday job where they get paid on a monthly basis, the user may opt for this option. Case 2. Income from agriculture. If the applicant/family member's source of income is through agriculture or farming, the user may opt for this option. Income from other sources. If the applicant or the family member's source of income is through the other fields other than the above specified sources of income, the user may opt for this option. After finishing adding the income of one person, the user can also add the income details of other person by clicking on Add Family Income button. Now after updating the family income details, we now begin with the other segment, present address, where the user needs to specify the details regarding the permanent address. This includes specifying the house number, street, address line 1, selecting the district, subdivision, ward or village and postal zip code. After the permanent address field is done, the user needs to upload their photo and signature. Now we move to the last segment in this step where the user needs to read the declaration carefully and if all the conditions is found applicable, the user needs to check the I agree checkbox. Click the Save and Continue button to proceed to the next step of the form filling procedure, that is uploading the required documents. In this step, the applicant has to upload the necessary documents. Some of the guidelines are mentioned here regarding the documents which a user must go through before uploading their documents. Now, in the citizenship proof, we first select the required documents from the list of documents and upload the documents. After pressing the upload button, a confirmation of successful updation pops up below saying file successfully submitted. The same steps needs to be followed for all the document upload fields below. After successfully uploading all the documents listed in this step, the user needs to press the Save and Continue button to move. Now, with this, we enter the final step of the form fill-up procedure, that is confirmation and payment. This is the preview and final submission page where the user can check for any errors in the data entered earlier. In case of any error, The user can rectify any fields found by clicking on the Edit Details button. After rectifying of the error, the user needs to click on the Pay and Submit button to make the payment. On a successful payment, the user receives an acknowledgement slip, which is a confirmation of a successful payment. The user also has the option to print this slip as a proof of a successful form submission. If we click on Go to My Application button, the status of the application shows Submitted. Now once the application has been submitted, it may take some time for the application to be verified by the department. The user needs to check the status of the application on a timely basis. Once the application gets verified, the status of the application submitted changes to Approved, and now the user can download the income certificate by clicking the Download Certificate button. With this, we come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you.